Hello everyone, my name is Fred Varen with Top Line Results, and with Kyle today we're going to review how to leverage dialogues and workflows.
Indeed, Fred, what we're going to do is we're going to use a dialogue to change a data in one of our fields for a lead, and that'll trigger a workflow to schedule an activity for that lead.
Yes, so this video will demonstrate one of the most powerful features in Dynamics CRM, which is the use of workflow. And in our example, we'll combine this with the use of a dialogue form. So dialogues are especially useful when a company wishes to help the CRM user to be focused on making sure that a few key fields are filled out. It is a way, if you wish, to enter information and eliminate the clutter from the form. On the other hand, the workflow is a process or an automated task that will allow to create repeated actions, such as filling out a field or create an activity or email. So in our example, Kyle, let's choose a lead.
Okay, so we're going to go from our sales tile here all the way to leads, and we're going to go with Ivan Komashinsky.
Excellent. So now what we want to do is choose our ellipsis to trigger the dialog box. Start dialogue. And what do we see here, Kyle?
We've got our status dialog. So this is the dialog that's going to ask us about the status of our lead.
So just simply click on that?
Correct. We simply can click and highlight our status and click add, and this will bring up our dialog box.
So this actually is a very simple form. You just see one field. You can say yes or no. And if you choose yes, then it will take the priority of the lead and bring it to what?
Hot.
Hot.
So we click next, and it says, thank you, this is the end of the dialogue, and we click finish. Now, when I refresh the screen, we should see our rating change from cold to hot.
Excellent. So that's one thing, but in the background, and at the same time, there's a workflow that has been designed in this form that if the rating is hot, then it will schedule me an activity in the future.
Correct.
So where do we see that?
We will see that in our activities here in the activity feed. So when we click activities, we can see that here is an activity that's been created as soon as we changed the rating of our field to hot. This was automatically created by our workflow.
Oh, excellent. So in conclusion, dialogues and workflow help us, the salespeople, to stay focused on important data entry. In our example, it was the rating field, and the workflow automates activity, and in our example, it was to make a phone call in the near future. Thank you for tuning in to our top line videos.